Absolutely gorgeous. The moment everybody's been waiting for. This is the Grand Hyatt. This is a King Premium, and this is also on the Club Lounge. All right, so let's get into this tour, guys. So they have this nice little area where you just put your bags and stuff like that. Closet in here. You got your nice robe, and this robe is, it's crazy soft, guys. Iron board, everything you need. Dustpan for some reason, I'm not cleaning. And we go into the bathroom, and this bathroom is absolutely amazing. First of all, beautiful lighting, beautiful countertops, everything. And then you have this tub just sitting right here, guys. You can watch the sunset while you just shower, or you can just, you know, talk to whoever you're on there. It's really cool looking. And then you have your actual shower here, and the shower itself is very nice. You got your waterfall up here, everything that you need. All the controls are kind of on the side, which is kind of nice. It's kind of nifty too, because you can just reach your hand in here and turn everything on, which is nice. I mean, I don't like to get wet when I turn on everything. And here we just got a bathroom that is just secluded. It's kind of nice. Unique a little bit for a hotel. So I like that. Big mirror to the side. You guys have your giant TV in here, and then you have this countertop that goes across. The bed itself, super comfortable. It is on the firm side, guys, so if you like firm beds, you're gonna be extremely happy. Then you have your, you know, little sitting area, nice little mirror, and then another sitting area that you can just chill. But guys, the highlight of this is, guys, we're in Hong Kong, and just look at this skyline. Absolutely gorgeous. I am ready for so much food and just exploring this beautiful, I don't even know. It's just so beautiful, guys. So yeah, this is the view from my room. I'm sorry, I know you're getting some glares from the sun. It is sunsetting, it is that golden hour, but look how beautiful that is, guys. So yeah, this is the Grand Hyatt, and I would say it is extremely grand. And then we'll take one more look at the room. Just beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna enjoy my time here, and I hope to see you next time.